Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you a topic in the chapter from the Indian Economics titled Poverty. So, we have discussed the problem poverty, and now it's a time to discuss about how to tackle that problem through various programs. So, the first program is SGSY, that is Swarna Jayanti Gram Swarozgar Yojana. That is the first program launched by the Union Ministry of the Rural Development, and it has started with effect from April 1st, 1999, which has replaced IRDP and its allied schemes. Integrated Rural Development Program. So, it has replaced this program. And which are the allied schemes? That means related schemes. TRISM. TRISM means Training of Rural Youth for Self-Employment. Next one is DWCRA, that is Development of Women and Children in Rural Areas. Next one is CITRA, Supply of Improved Tool Kits to Rural People. So, this program has replaced the IRDP and it has alleviated the poverty among the poor people also. And its main objectives is to focus for the poverty alleviation, capitalizing the advantages of the group lending, and overcoming the problems associated with the multiplicity of the programs, and to bring the poor family above the poverty line in 3 years by providing them income generating assets through a mix of bank credit and government subsidies. So this program especially aim to alleviate the poverty by how providing all income generating assets, that is providing the bank credit and required tools and implements. So this is actually, it integrates various agencies also for efficient functioning of this program, which are the district rural development agencies, banks, departments, Panchayati Raj institutions, and non-government organizations. So, this SGSY integrates all these agencies for their efficient functioning of their programs. So, this is actually SGSY, and it covers all aspects of the employment programs also. The next one is SGRY, Sampurna Gramin Rozgar Yojana. These schemes, the ongoing schemes are the Employment Assurance Schemes, Jawahar Gram Samruddhi Yojana. They were merged into the SGRY, and it was on September 25th, 2001. So, this is the next program, Sampurna Gramin Rozgar Yojana, and they have merged two schemes into the one, which are the Employment Assurance Scheme and the Jawahar Gram Samruddhi Yojana. And what are its objectives? That is also to provide additional wage employment in rural areas. So next we will discuss about the next program, which is PMGSY, that is Pradhana Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, and it is a 100% centrally sponsored scheme, and it was launched on the December 25th, 2000. What is this? Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. And what is its objective? To to provide connectivity to all unconnected habitations in the rural areas having population of more than 500 persons through goods all weathers roads by the 10th plan period. So this is also, it is a centrally sponsored scheme. It's done by the government and it was launched on the December 25th 2000. And the main objectives, they have to cover what, provide connectivity to all the people residing in the what particular areas. The next program is CAPART. CAPART means Council for the Advancement of the People's Action and the Rural Technology. That is CAPART, and it was established in the September 1st 1986, and it is a registered body under the Ministry of the Rural Development, and its headquarters is located at the New Delhi, and it has 9 regional committees in different states also: Jaipur, Lucknow, Ahmedabad, Bhubaneswar, Patna, Chandigarh, Hyderabad, Guwahati and Dharwad. So these are the different places where we can see its headquarters or its regional committees also located. It has 9 regional committees, so it is located in the different states. The next one is National Social Assistance Program, and this is also a centrally sponsored scheme for social assistance benefits to the households that are affected by the old age, death of the primary and maternity care. So this is also a social assistance program, that is that they are assisting whom the old age, all households, and especially for the old age people and maternity care and those who want medical assistance also. And the Pradhan Mantri Gramodaya Yojana, that is PMGY, its objectives also focus on the village level development in 5 critical areas, that is primary education, drinking water, housing, rural roads. So this is the next one, Pradhan Mantri Gramodaya Yojana. So its objectives, what is that? It focuses on the village level development in the 5 critical areas, that is primary education, drinking water, as well as all the basic necessities required for them. So my dear children, I hope what all the programs I have explained is clear for you, and these are all the programs, they are having particular objectives for each programs.